What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will take a look at must download application of Adobe. Like Adobe have been working on Photoshop and all that things, like they are the best in this game. And in this video we have on mobile Photoshop PS camera. Like this is the best camera app I have ever seen on like any iOS and Android. So this is available to download free on the Apple App Store, and also on the Android Play Store. So as you can see, here's the app. Now after clicking open button, you will be greeted with this colorful things and all that thing. Just leave it, I'll explain you everything. Just skip these all things, then it will show you how to log in. I'll prefer logging in with Apple, like it is much more safer. So after you log in, you will be greeted with this page. You have to give allow, of course. It is asking for your location to just give the oh my man, this face revealed, lol. So there comes the big thing. Like you will be like, this is normal viewfinder. Nah. Click on the lenses now, bro. Take a look at this. Like just swipe, and you won't. This pics won't look as good in the viewfinder. Like here I clicked, and let me show you. This photo is much better in the gallery. Like see, wait for a second. Yeah, let's see. Like this app is just awesome for people who love clicking photos and just comics, making comic photos on their smartphone. So peace out, that's it for today's video. If you do end up liking my video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.